everyone, thank you so much for watching. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jussara. I am a stay-at-home mom to 2 kids. Ariana is 9 and Ryan is 6. Today I have for you guys a power hour. I am going to tackle some things on my to-do list and we will see if I can beat the clock.
An ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it, so cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close, I know
I am starting now. It is 1:20 and I'm going to start in the living room. For me, it's just easier to start here because it is on the far left side of the back of the house. So I'm just gonna work my way from left to right, from the living room to the kitchen.
let me heal. You're making it brighter, right through the gray.
In the living room, I'm just picking up after the kids, and of course Ryan left the TV on after he was done watching his show. I am just gonna put some things away and straighten out the couch a little bit and put back the accent pillows the way they're supposed to be, for them to just get put back on the floor when the kids are back home.
Something that's real. With you I get that. You're like a lighthouse in a dream, really distant but your beam is guiding me home. So cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close, I know.
If you're doing a power hour, don't forget to tie up your hair. This is a good cardio. I don't even need to go to the gym today.
It feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter, right through the gray.
My ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later. But you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels.
Moving on to the breakfast nook. This table is a catch-all. There's always something on here that should not be. So I'm just straightening it out and putting everything away so that I can start cleaning. For today's wet dusting, I'm going to use the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner in the scent Peony, I believe. This is one of my favorite scents. Along with the honeysuckle. I am actually out of the honeysuckle right now. Definitely ready for a Target run.
Girl, I
see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me.
Now it's time for the kitchen, and this little area is also another catch-all. I always have to pick up things and put them back where they belong. That is just left here. We are actually thinking about remodeling this part of the kitchen just so that we get more use out of it, rather than just sitting there collecting everything that doesn't have a place. So here I'm just dusting and cleaning out the little crumbles that the kids leave behind from the cereal dispenser.
So much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you.
Next, I'm going to tackle the dishes, and oh my God, I feel like there are more people living in this house than just us four. It's insane the amount of dishes that we use, especially now with our kids being home all day and my husband being more home. I feel like we are using even more dishes than we usually have before, and sometimes I have to run the dishwasher twice in one day. That's crazy.
Can you see me shaking? Hear the sound of my heart breaking. Bless the soul that's aching, hoping I survive. The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you. Not that we were cruel enough to do it. Now I feel so stupid. Don't you feel that too? The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty
For the countertops, I'm going to use the same Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner in the peony scent. These do really good for my countertops. It doesn't streak, so I will continue to use it. These countertops are definitely not my choice, and we will probably be getting them switched out in the near future. If you guys remember from my last house, which I will put here in the cards, we used to have white and gray quartz countertops, and I absolutely love them. And the last thing in the kitchen will be the sink. I am scrubbing the sink down with the Barkeeper's Friend soft cleanser. I really like the way this cleanser works. I feel like it does a really good job cleaning and polishing the sink. The sink has a lot of scuffs, and we will probably be getting that changed as well very soon. I don't like the top mount sinks. I really like the under mounts, especially when you go to rinse it out. The water goes all inside the sink and not like this one where it goes all over the place. And I have to dry the whole countertop again.
That girl you texting when I look away. 'Cause in the echo of your silence, I only hear what's best for me. Yeah, in the echo of your silence, I'm thinking more of her. She who wants to study your body, who gets the better version of you. I need the bitter truth. I need the better version of you. Oh, I need the better version of you. Oh, I need the better you.
Finally, in the sink, I'm going to throw in one of these CLR pods. I feel like they do a really good job cleaning the inside of the garbage disposal, and it leaves a nice fresh scent. I feel like after a while the garbage disposal starts to get a little funky smell, and this does a really good job cleaning the garbage disposal and the pipe as well. That way you don't get as much buildup. And last but not least, my load of laundry. This is my guest bedroom that is right next to the laundry room on the first floor. So this is usually where I do all my folding from. If I do lots of loads in one day, I will fold everything here and separate by person. That way when I take them upstairs to the closets, I know exactly which room goes in where, and I put them together all at once. That way it's easier for me. If you guys are interested in a laundry routine video from me, let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely film that for you in the upcoming weeks.
It's the last thing
stand by your beam. It's guiding me home. So cold yet warm. When you hold me, when you close. I know, I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
And there it goes, 2:25. My timer went off. I gave myself an extra 5 minutes to compensate for the time that I had to move the camera around and turn it on and off, change batteries in the middle of this. But that still was not enough. I still had quite a few pieces to fold so that my load would be done.
Gas you up like petrol, just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later, but you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter.
Whoa, that was a lot harder than I thought. I actually did not beat the clock. I gave myself an extra 5 minutes and that was not enough. I finished just now folding all the clothes, which was my last task, and it is 2:30. So the clock beat me by 10 minutes. This is my first power hour and it was so much fun. I actually got a lot done, a lot more than I was expecting to get done, but I hope that next time I can beat the clock. If you have stayed this far into the video, comment a purple heart down in the comments below so that I know who my true subscribers are. 86 here in Florida and I'm sweating. That was crazy. But hope you guys liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when I post the next video. Coming up soon will be a back to school haul with my kids and also a giveaway. Stay tuned.